Mhadei Prawah Authority team today visited some of the areas in the Mhadei Basin of Sattari Taluka, and they got themselves acquainted with the Mhadei region and how this river has been playing significant role in the environment, ecology and wildlife of Goa. Today the visit began with Amthane Dam in Bicholim Taluka. Then they visited Podosho Water Treatment Plant and Sakri Water Treatment Plant. Along with this team, the Chief Engineer of Goa, Pramod Badami, the Superintending Engineer, Dilip Naik were present, and they explained this team about the various areas. They showed to the team how this river is playing important role in the fragile ecology maintenance of our state. This river is playing significant role in the life and livelihood of Goa, and that is why when apprehension was expressed by Goa government pertaining carrying out the inspection in the Mhadei region, and also where the place in Kankumbi water of Kalsa flows in the direction of the Mhadei Basin. So as per the schedule, the team was supposed to visit today Maharashtra, but today they carried out visit in Bardes, Bicholi and Sattari areas, and they were explained by the officials about the importance of this river. Tomorrow the team will be carrying out inspection in other areas like Ponda. They will be given information about the Opa water treatment plant, the Ganje Anicut and various places that are depend upon the freshwater inflow of Mhadei and its tributary into controlling the salinity of Goa.